Did you know that the American flag hasn't always looked the way it does today? What started as a simple design in 1777, with just 13 stars and stripes, has transformed alongside the nation itself. But how did it evolve over time? Let's uncover the fascinating journey of the U.S. flag. In 1777, the newly independent United States adopted its first official flag, a bold symbol of freedom. It featured 13 stars and 13 stripes, each representing the original colonies that had fought for independence. The colors carried deep meaning: red for valor, white for purity, and blue for perseverance. This flag wasn't just a banner, it was a declaration of a nation's birth. As the country expanded, so did its flag. New stars were added for each new state, but the stripes remained 13 as a tribute to the nation's origins. By 1818, Congress passed the Flag Act, ensuring that every 4th of July, a new star would be added for any state that had joined the Union. From 15 stars to 20, the flag continued to change as Tennessee, Ohio, and Louisiana became part of the growing nation. Even through the turmoil of the Civil War, the stars remained united, symbolizing hope and resilience. In 1863, when West Virginia became the 35th state, the flag once again reflected America's evolving story. By the late 1800s, the nation stretched from coast to coast. States like Nevada, Colorado, and Wyoming joined, bringing the total to 43 stars by 1890. In 1912, after the admission of New Mexico and Arizona, the flag officially reached 48 stars, and a structured star pattern was introduced for the first time. But the changes didn't stop there. In 1959, Alaska became the 49th state, followed by Hawaii in 1960, marking the birth of the 50-star flag we recognize today, a powerful emblem of unity, strength, and freedom. And yet, the story of the American flag isn't over. Could there, one day, be a 51st star? As history unfolds, the flag remains a living symbol of a nation that continues to grow, evolve, and inspire. The U.S. flag is more than fabric and thread. It's a testament to the resilience of a people, the sacrifices of the past, and the dreams of the future.